Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a low mileage 2013 Cadillac SRX Luxury Collection, stock number Z7244A. Only 46,000 miles on this one owner, local trade, black raven in color. The SRX is a very safe vehicle, 5-star overall government crash rating, keeping your family and friends safe and your insurance costs down. Seats 5 with a leather interior. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors for additional safety, and power liftgate for convenience. Lots of cargo space in the rear, with removable privacy cover, as well as additional underfloor storage. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This luxury collection has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power liftgate, power seats with memory settings for 2 drivers, along with power adjustable pedals, and a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Oversized panoramic moonroof. Large, easy to read gauges. Again, only 46,000 miles. Leather wrapped steering wheel, which is heated, great for those cold winter days. Cruise control. Steering wheel mounted audio controls. Large touchscreen Q infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones, Pandora radio app. Dual zone automatic temperature control to make sure everyone's comfortable. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for the things used most often, along with heated front seats. Automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input. Allows you to connect those mobile media devices. Large glove box with all the owner's material. Auto dimming mirror. Home link transmitter for garage door opener. Power moonroof and power sunshade control. Under the hood, this SRX has a 3.6 liter direct injection V6, 308 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 17 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 24 on the highway, and approximately 70% of tire tread left. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.